of YouTube. I kind of died for a week or so, or no, a few days. My hair is pretty epic right now. Anyway, so I had a good Thanksgiving. I hope y'all did too. Right now I'm playing Heavy Rain, and it's severely depressing. Look at. I'm sure you can see it, right? It is sadness at its finest. Absolute sadness. Hopefully, the Heavy Rain journey isn't too sad. I already know what I have to do. Find my son and everything, but really, I don't want to have a sad ending. I don't. I only know one other person who's played this game. So, hopefully it's not so sad. So yeah. Hopefully I doubt it, but it will take forever to platinum this freaking game. So, yeah. Goodbye!